So, good evening. Trust you good. So, the last time I dropped a video on how the meta ads work and the phases that they go through. Now, for those of you that are probably have questions on what the meta ads platform looks like, we're going to quickly run through it together. So, as you can see, this is the Meta Business Suite. This is where the magic happens. Now, what is the Meta Business Suite? It's basically a place provided for business owners by the Meta platform to set up their business portfolios, add their business accounts, connect their Facebook page to their Instagram accounts, and run paid ads. Now, how does this work? You simply just need to create a business portfolio, give your business portfolio a name, enter the necessary details that you need for your business, and you're now registered on the Meta Business Suite. And then you add your Facebook business page. As you can see, this is that of my clients, where we have the Facebook and Instagram accounts. Well, yeah, I'm going to quickly go through what the ad setup looks like. Now, for here, this is a ad summary. This is the ads that started running today and amount we've spent. Let me open the ads manager real quick and show you where the real magic happens. Let's go. Now, this is what the Meta Ads platform looks like. It's called the Meta Ads Manager. Now, let me say something. By no chance should you run ads with your personal Facebook account. I repeat, do not run ads with your personal Facebook account for your business. That is why we have the Meta Ads Manager, basically, for running ads. As you can see, this is the business portfolio and it has an ad account already. And this is my client's personal accounts. As you can see here, we didn't make use of the personal accounts. We made use of a business account, business portfolio. Like I said, it includes the Facebook page, the Instagram page, where you create your business portfolios and you open a new ad account. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your Meta Business Suite. But for now, I want us to quickly run through the Meta Ads Manager real quick. So these are the current campaigns running. And as you can see, for today already, we have over 10 messaging conversations started from my clients. And this is what it looks like. We have the campaign. This is the delivery to show whether the campaigns are, or what campaigns are active. So basically, this is how it works. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay jiggy.